If you want clean and strong corset lacing loops, this step-by-step tutorial is for you. We need scissors, measuring tape, ruler, pins, cord trim, heat erasable pen, tweezers, and Ridgeline boning. Let's do it together. Cut 4 centimeter wide strips on the bias of the fabric. Place the cord trim in the center of the fabric strip and secure the end with a few stitches. Fold the fabric strip so that the cord trim sits in the center, then pin the fabric strip. Start stitching with a little distance from the cord trim, then continue sewing the fabric strip right next to the cord trim. Use a one-sided presser foot for stitching. Sew it twice to make it more secure. Trim the excess seam allowance to reduce bulk. Secure one end of the cord trim, then pull the fabric strip to turn it completely right side out. Press the finished strips with an iron. Cut the strips into 5 centimeter pieces. At this stage, shape the strip pieces into a curved form. Make sure the seam is positioned on the inside of the curve. Draw a line on the ironing board and mark it every 2 centimeters. Then, pin the strip pieces along this line as shown. Press with an iron so the pinned strips take on a curved shape. Cut the rigoline boning to the length of the back of the corset and mark it every 2 centimeters. Using tweezers, sew the prepared strips onto the rigoline boning exactly on the marked points. First, sew one side of the strips, then sew the other side so the strips sit right next to each other. There should be no gaps between the strips. Sew another row to fully secure the strips and keep them evenly aligned next to each other. Now that the lacing loops are ready, let's sew them onto the back of the corset. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. You can also watch my other video to learn a different method for sewing lacing loops.